Hello guys, today I have received this KVM switch for 2 monitors and 2 computers. Let's unbox it and let's see what comes inside. Inside the box, we will find this replacement card and warranty information. We will also find some instruction manuals. This right here is the KVM switch. It comes with a USB-A to USB cable. It comes with another USB-A to USB cable. And it comes with another USB-A to Type-C cable, an auxiliary cord. Okay, it's a 3.5 millimeters. Comes with this, stickers, if in case you want to put, some little cushions right here. So that way they don't scratch, whatever surface, you're going to put it on. And it comes with this switch, okay? On our KVM switch, we will find the connections for PC1, which is this DP in cable, A and B, okay? And then we have the 3.0 cable, so that way we can connect these USBs through our computers. We will have also the PC2, which is going to be the 2 DP ports, okay? This is the 8K cable. Again, our USB connector right here. And finally, our DP outs, okay? This is our 8K cables, okay? And these are going to go to our monitors, right? This is the voltage where we're going to put our cable, okay, to provide or to supply power to the switch. Okay, you will connect this other end to any USB box or the PC computer. Now on the front we will find more USB ports. These you're going to be able to use on both PCs. All right, that's why you have these 2 ports, so that way whenever you switch in between PC2 and PC1, that way whatever you could connect here, it will connect back to your PCs, whichever is selected. Okay, this is the switch button. And also you will have the ability to connect this control and switch, back and forth. These little plastics, you can actually install them on the bottom, so that way you can just sit your switch and do not scratch any surfaces. All right, guys, so this is a very complete set for this KVM switch. You will definitely be able to connect 2 computers in one, have your whole set, and you don't have to have that extra monitors, occupying extra space. This is actually going to do the job, and you're going to be able to have everything in one set of monitors. I hope that the information about this KVM switch 8K for 2 computers and 2 monitors was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.